Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Isaac, and I'm going to give you a sneak preview of the Shack, which is my studio in progress. Check it out. Alrighty. This is the control room. That's kind of different, but something I really envisioned and wanted. And it didn't work out exactly the way I envisioned it, which is cool. It came out actually cooler than what I thought it'd be. As you walk in to start off, you're walking in, and this is going to be my, what the heck is this? Somebody left this here, what the heck? Okay, there you go. Anyway, this is going to be my desktop, which is awesome granite, which my buddies at Goldstone Granite are going to put up for me. They're just still working on it. Just got to cut it out. But that's going to look cool. Let me see if we can get a better idea how that's going to look. Polished up, it's going to look awesome, especially with the wood right there. And this is a huge diffuser which I'm making, me and the guys, Joe and Russell. Right here is going to be a 3/4 inch bulletproof glass that my dad gave me, which is going to be awesome. Because my dad gave it to me, and it's very old, and anyway, it was very cool to give it to me. And here's what they look like. Here's one of them, and very thick. It's got a bluish tint. And if you look straight up, on top of you got a huge sticker which my cousin gave me. He works at Guitar Center, and check that out. It looks pretty neat. See if I can get a better. Let's see. Probably can get a better view of it if I cut the glare off. Let me see. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's pretty wild. Anyway, and if you walk over here to the left, this is a small closet that I made. Basically, I just laid out a 4x8 sheet of plywood and started building upward and made a closet. It's a lean-to, all pegboard, which I'm going to use for all my cables, of course, and whatnot. All the wood is going to still be exposed. I like the way the natural wood looks. And a small ISO booth for a 112 cabinet. I'm still working on it with I've got carpet foam, and I'm gonna line it up with some of that, because I want it to be as quiet and as soft as possible in there. And of course, I'm gonna put quilts in here, just because I always need quilts for covering up your kick drum if you like that, which I do. And I'm very top on my mics. Broom closet, or also mic closet, or mic stand closet. And here's a little door that I made to get behind, get to all my racks and stuff, which is going to be behind underneath my countertop. And here's what I'm going to lay on my racks. It's got a slight angle on it. I like the way that looks. See if we get a better view of it. And nice wood door that was in my garage for about 15 years. Never used it for anything, and decided to sand it down. It didn't really, not much sanding, because it was already natural pine looking, and I like the way it looks. I'm going to fill this entire wall right here with the acoustical tiles, the RLX acoustical tiles. I was going to make some diffusers, but I'm just getting tired of messing with all this stuff. You look in the ceiling, and it's my version of my Super Chunk, which is, these are all shutters which I made diffusers out of. Behind them is going to be material, and behind the material is 4 foot of rock wool. And so we dropped the ceiling down, as you can tell. Well, I don't know if you can or not from this angle, but we did. And that's what they look like up close. I dig the way they look. I've still got to do some So you can see that screw right there. I gotta do some puttying and some painting over it, and just touch up stuff. But it's gonna serve its purpose well, and it looks good. But its purpose is to, really make this room sound even. And with the RLX and acoustical tiles, I'm sure it will be. The floors, I'm still working on it. Don't have anything. I'm gonna probably just put carpet on it. I was gonna put some laminate wood flooring, all that fancy stuff. And then now it's like, you know what? It's money-wise, it's getting very expensive for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put carpet. This same carpet as I carpeted these walls. And here's the my big vocal booth / drum room. And this door is very tight, very snug. I like it. My nephew Mark made them. Walls are carpeted. Let's see if you can tell. Yeah. Looks pretty neat. I'm still working on the trim, all that putty stuff, and I need to do some sanding on it. But there's that. Carpet walls right there. Behind the carpet is soundboard, 3/4 inches plywood, and that huge entire wall stuffed with styrofoam and spray foam, and it's very dense, very thick wall, and also has rock wool in the wall as well. Not one 90-degree angle in this room. Ceilings where I'm going to probably put more RLX foam. Another diffuser. Another huge wall. Carpeted wall. Just more RLX. Right. Here's the space where I'm going to get to all my cables. And we walk back into the small hallway or control room or whatever. It's just a small 12 by 16 room. And then we're going to turn around, and this is my vocal booth, the small one, but my dead one. The walls are, I still need to finish the walls. Still working on them. This wall is very thick. I just put pegboard over it just because behind it is styrofoam and rock wool, and very heavy door, number 2x4s also. Anyway, I made everything. Me and my buddies also made, helped me make a lot of the stuff. Anyway, we walk in here and it's, you can just tell, just sounds different. Let me close this door. Just sounds different, and we're still working on it. Here's a little space where you can put your sheet music if you need it, whatever. But I just dig the whole vibe here. I dig the whole look. It makes you want to create, I need to just on the ceiling. I need to work on that. It's not the best work. I'm not saying I'm great at construction. I did it all myself, but I gave it hell with anything. That looks pretty. I like the way it looks. All the stainless steel covers with, the plates with the carpet. Looks pretty neat. Anyway, back into the main room. There's a little window unit which rocks, by the way. It's just a little window unit which we put in here, and it rocks hardcore. This little room is so well insulated. These walls are, all the exterior walls are, just the inside of them are 6 inches thick, so it's probably about 8 to 9 inches thick. This one right here, haven't measured it yet, but I think it's like somewhere like around over a foot. Anyway, very thick. And studio in progress. I'm working on it. Hopefully I have like about a month. I'm hoping a month. We'll see what happens. I got like 3 projects waiting to get in here, so I gotta get to moving. But overall, I'm very excited. I know I'm gonna do a lot of stuff in here. There's what I really want to do is an internet radio show. Just recording is one thing, but creating, that's what I really got this thing for, to create, expose talent. And I love music. I love everything. And I'll probably do some talking about MMA. If there's any MMA fans out there, we'll probably do some talking on it. I'll probably be doing everything on Ustream or YouTube. And but check it out. Hopefully you dig it, and leave some comments later.